Hello and welcome back to the Kinesiology lecture series. In lecture number 11, you will get to know about the range of muscle work. What is the range of muscle work? It is basically the amount of muscle contraction, either concentrically or eccentrically. To know more about the concentric and eccentric contraction, you can see my previous lecture. Now, the range of muscle work is also known as muscle excursion. There are 4 types of ranges of muscle work: full range, inner range, outer range, and the middle range. The full range of muscle work is equal to the maximum muscle excursion. Or, in full range of muscle work, the muscle contract concentrically from the position of full stretch to the position of full contraction, and muscle contract eccentrically from the position of full contraction to the position of full stretch. As on the elbow joint, the bicep contract concentrically to move the elbow joint from the position of full extension to the position of full flexion, or the bicep contract eccentrically to move the joint from the position of full contraction to the position of full extension. This range is used in emergency conditions to maintain the movement over a joint through different range of motion exercises and to maintain the circulation. As the movement is allowed at a joint, the circulation increases. In the inner range, the muscle contract concentrically from the position of medium contraction to the position of full contraction, or from the position of full contraction to the position of medium contraction eccentrically. As in the elbow joint, the contraction of the bicep over an elbow joint from the position of medium flexion to the full flexion concentrically, and from the position of full flexion to the position of medium flexion. This range is mostly used to train the extensor muscles and also in different PNF exercises. In the outer range, the muscle contract concentrically from the position of full stretch to the position of minimal contraction, and eccentrically from the position of minimal contraction to the full stretch. Example on the elbow joint is the contraction of the bicep muscle concentrically from the position of full extension to the minimal flexion, or from the position of minimal flexion to the full extension. This range is mostly used to re-educate the muscle and also used in different PNF techniques. In the middle range, the muscle contracts to move the joint between the minimal contraction and the medium contraction. This range is the most used range for daily living, and the muscle has maximum strength during this range. The exercises in this range are used to increase the muscle power, strength, and tone. If you like my video, then give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.